Hi, my name is Lena Moser, and along with Kapu Patel, I will be co hosting the Own Your Light workshop. I'm a certified mindfulness life coach, and I help women with multiple passions get clear on their purpose so that they awaken each day with a sense of freedom, peace, and confidence, knowing they're on the right path.
Wow. And my name is Kapu Patel, and I'm a portrait photographer. And my mission is to help women see the outward manifestation of their inner beauty. This is achieved with my trusted camera and your magnificent presence.
We put together this workshop so we can help you see through any limiting beliefs or stories which might be holding you back from living your most fulfilling life.
And we help you build confidence so you can walk into any room, own it, and even be excited about being photographed.
Join us.